What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? And as you can see here, we have STOR, Store Capital Corporation, sitting at a price of around 131.96. Now, my previous predictions about Store were right here. Yeah, we're still basically in this price. Today we're half a percent down, so nothing much that we can see right here. We can only see the weekly candle that is bullish. And basically, what I was just talking about, yeah, I really do like to see the bull thing still continue to go bullish, and I'm going to do a bunch of these lines right here that we don't actually need. So, I'm definitely still looking for this thing to continue to deliver to the highs, maybe tapping into the 1 areas, but overall still pretty bullish. And yeah, like that's generally about it for STOR. Now, pretty crucial thing: make sure you do your own fundamental analysis, your own technical analysis, and all the good stuff you already know. Have a wonderful day and goodbye.